Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. Boat Rockerz 255 has been launched in India, unleash a new era of immersive music and smart touch controls with the Boat Rockerz 255 Touch, India's first neckband featuring full touch swipe functionality. This futuristic wireless Bluetooth neckband is designed to envelop you in a captivating audio journey, delivering an elevated music experience like never before. Proudly launched by Boat, India's leading audio and wearables brand, the Rockerz 255 Touch is packed with cutting edge technologies that redefine the way you listen to music. One of the standout features of the Boat Rockerz 255 Touch is its spatial audio powered by DIRAC Virtuo. Regardless of the source format, this technology transforms any audio content into a theater like experience, delivering more accurate sound stages and superior sound quality. With spatial cues that replicate the original sound, you can immerse yourself in a surround sound experience with exceptional depth and clarity. The Rockerz 255 Touch boasts smart all touch controls that make managing your music a breeze. The touch control panel and ring enables seamless operation with simple taps and swipes. You can effortlessly change tracks, adjust the volume, switch modes, answer calls, and even interact with your voice assistant, all with intuitive touch gestures. Say goodbye to cumbersome buttons and enjoy a truly hassle free music experience. Another notable feature of the Rockerz 255 Touch is the ENX technology. This innovative technology ensures seamless conversations and clearer voice transmission, making sure your voice is the focus during calls. The intelligent noise reduction eliminates ambient noise during voice and video calls, allowing you to have crystal clear conversations even in noisy environments. Boat is renowned for its signature sound, and the Rockerz 255 Touch takes it to the next level. Equipped with 10 mm dynamic graphene drivers, these neckbands deliver the iconic Boat signature sound like never before. Experience punchier bass, sharper trebles, and enhanced audio that will make your music come alive. Worried about the battery life? Well, the Rockerz 255 Touch offers an ultra long playback time of up to 30 hours, ensuring that your sound never stops. And with the ASAP charge feature, a quick 10-minute charge with a fast charger gives you an impressive 10 hours of uninterrupted entertainment. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and enjoy your favorite tunes for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Gamers will appreciate the Rockerz 255 Touch Beast Mode. This feature ensures lag free audio with a low latency mode of just 40 milliseconds. With the Rockerz 255 Touch, your gaming skills will be unmatched as you stay one step ahead of your opponents with seamless audio synchronization. The Rockerz 255 Touch also features a convenient magnetic power on or off function. When the earbuds are separated, they automatically turn on, allowing you to stay connected without any hassle. When attached together, they power off, conserving battery life and ensuring a tangle free experience. But not that all. The Rockerz 255 Touch is packed with additional features that make it stand out from the crowd. It is IPX5 rated for water and sweat resistance, making it perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. The Bluetooth version 5.3 ensures quicker, stutter free connectivity and an extended range, allowing you to enjoy your music wirelessly without interruptions. The neckband also boosts a premium design, providing a comfortable fit and style that complements your daily lifestyle. Additionally, it is available in three attractive color options: pitch black, deep blue, and teal green. So these neckband headphones are available at a price of rupees 1499. To purchase them at a discounted price, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Kindly like the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.